You're a family man, the kids. Does that really make you sometimes vulnerable?
See, there were threats while I was making Kashmir File. There were
I can
threats.
understand. Yeah.
There are threats now also, and threats come from all sections. My daughter had to make her account private, and people were morphing her pictures.
You're so impeccable as a filmmaker. Is politics the next step?
That's your kindness. I don't think so.
But is politics the next destination for you?
No way. मैं
No?
I will even
कभी
if
नहीं,
you
कभी भी
billion
नहीं।
dollar मैं कह रहा
जी।
हूँ बिलियन डॉलर्स दोगी तो मैं नहीं जाऊंगा.
क्यों पर?
पर क्यों? वहाँ क्या एडवांटेज है? ऐसा क्या है पॉलिटिक्स में जो मैं नहीं कर सकता? है ना? Is it possible for such a senior actor like Shashwata and for us to work on a film without reading the entire script?
Filmmaker Vivek Agnihotri is known for making films that spark debates and also bring narratives that are rooted in socio-political scenarios. And of course, the popular filmmaker joins us today to talk about his much anticipated film, The Bengal Files. And as expected, sir, the expectations are high. What mood are you in right now?
Jet lagged. I just came back from US and in the morning I arrived at around 2:33 and immediately flew to Calcutta.
Yes.
When I reached Calcutta, I got to know that multiplex
True.
is not showing it. Then all the chaos you have seen, I don't want to get into that. But right now देखिए बेटी की शादी में बस जब विदाई के वक्त बाप का जो हाल होता है वो मेरा हाल है अभी. So I don't know. I just wanted to be released peacefully, properly, like a film is released. And this film will be a great service to Bengalis.
Yes,
And I
sir.
hope God gives them good sense and they do not deprive the rights of Bengali people and every single Indian to see the most gruesome, darkest chapter of our history.
Yes.
It's very, very important, not because idea is to show the darkness of the history, but to ensure that after seeing it, people light up the future so that there is no darkness in the future.
ये बहुत ही compelling subject है. There are too many varied, perspectives already pouring in on social media. Too many FIRs already been lodged. How are you dealing with all of it? Were you like all prepared that कि controversies तो होने वाली, and how you basically deal with it?
No, I wasn't prepared for it. In case of Kashmir, I was more prepared
Yes.
because it was dealing with terrorism.
Yes.
And terrorist groups have a very strong agenda. They don't want anybody to speak against it. But here, I thought they will welcome it. They will like the idea because it talks about the lost heritage, glory of Bengal. It talks about the great renaissance of Bengal. You have seen in film, we have spoken about कि Bengal India का lighthouse है.
Yes.
That's what we have.
Yes.
That's a dialogue there. Then why anybody should have a problem with this film? And if they have a problem that this film shouldn't come out, then their thinking is like Muslim League thinking. Then I am surprised who's ruling Bengal. Is it our party, our Indian party, or it's Muslim League who said that we will cut India by 1,000 cuts and we'll bleed India by 1,000 cuts, or partition is an unfinished project. I don't know who's ruling Bengal today.
Your films are all about, very uncomfortable truths. How do you sort of, weigh in on these truths, before you convert them into scripts and, then into a larger film? What are the pros and cons, that you keep in mind?
See, I call them truth cinema, and it's very important for a filmmaker to tell uncomfortable truths. If a filmmaker won't do it, then who else will do it? Film is the most evolved art, most complete art. This is the only art which has got audio, video, and depth, the third dimension. Otherwise, theater has 2 dimensions and this has 3 dimensions. So it's a very evolved and it makes an impact. It stimulates the audience intellectually and emotionally and psychologically. So I want to use my cinema for that purpose.
Okay.
And I personally, as a human being, as a person, I believe that it's very important to tell uncomfortable truths. Correct? Even a coach tells a player that no, this is where you are going wrong.
Ji.
Okay? You cannot keep telling a child that you are the most beautiful child in the world, you are the most beautiful child in the world. At some time you have to address. You cannot keep lying to people all your life. So sometimes what happens when you lie too much, that becomes the truth. And when you tell the real truth, then people say it's an uncomfortable truth.
True.
You know, if you are always politically correct, so when you are not politically correct and you speak the truth, people are uncomfortable.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, if somebody says, if in your office, if some worker is incompetent, you go and tell him you are incompetent. But telling that is not enough. You also have to have solution. You have to tell people that if you do this, you can improve.
True.
So that also I bring into my cinema,
Yeah.
but I bring it more emotionally. I show the emotion. It's called the art of absence, which is, if you want to people to believe in humanity, then you have to show what happens when the humanity is absent.
True. True.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
When something is not in their life, you understand the meaning of that.
Yeah.
We take sleep for granted, but make somebody not sleep for 2 days, he understands the value of sleep.
Right.
Similarly, in my film, I show the absence of humanity. When humanity is absent, what happens? In the Bengal Files, you will see when humanity is absent, when every political party is working for their own vested interest,
Yeah.
then who suffers? We the people
We the
of
people.
Bharat.
True. Yeah.
That's what happened. So in our democracy today, we the people of Bharat are absent. So I'm showing when we the people of Bharat are absent, what happens to a country.
There have also been reports saying that Shantanu Mukherjee, isn't very happy with the film because of the portrayal of his grandfather, and मतलब बिल्कुल ही अलग narrative चल रहा है. So what do you have to say to that?
अरे अभी ये देखिए वहाँ बंगाल में you have to speak what TMC wants you to speak. These are all TMC workers.
हाँ जी.
So they have an agenda, they have compulsions. He's saying it. So Shantanu has been talking to me. I told him that I'm presenting your father as a hero. I was supposed to inaugurate the statue of Gopal Mukherjee. I have tweeted in the morning, but because of this chaos and anarchy, state sponsored this thing, I was not allowed to go there for security reasons. But the organizers came to my hotel. I inaugurated the photo. I put it on social media today. One thing I want to tell you, after seeing this film, whether you are live in Kerala or Kashmir or Maharashtra, every single Indian will treat Gopal Mukherjee as a hero.
Okay.
Okay? If the grandson has a problem, me portraying him as a hero, then what can I say?
That's his problem. You
What
should be
can I
dealing
say?
with it.
What can I say?
Now, Saswat is also making comments. He said
No,
that
that's
you know,
not true. Media
Okay.
has reported it wrong out
Okay.
of context.
जी.
These days you take out one thing from
Out of the
Like for
context.
example, I did a podcast a couple
जी.
of days ago. तो उसमें मैंने एक स्टोरी बोली. मैंने कहा when I came from Delhi, I used to eat Mughlai and Punjabi तेल से डूबा हुआ खाना. And Pallavi was Maharashtrian. When I used to go to her house, they would serve me varan bhat. उसमें नमक भी नहीं होता है. ऊपर से नमक नींबू डालना पड़ता है. मैं ये क्या गरीबों का खाना है. But now
That has
after eating,
become-
I have learned that Maharashtrian thali is the healthiest thali in the world. तो सेकंड लाइन हटा दी, पहली लाइन चला दी.
And that's everywhere. I wanted to come to that, that
What-
Maharashtrian food is now
मैं
opinion.
तो वही खाता हूँ. मैं तो सात्विक खाना खाता हूँ. मेरे लिए उससे अच्छा कोई खाना नहीं है. I used to love Pallavi's mother used to make, and I asked Pallavi every Sunday कि ये बनाओ वो बनाओ. I eat lot of Maharashtrian food all the times. हमारे घर में तो Maharashtrian घर है. तो since we live in there, पूरी पल्लवी की फैमिली Maharashtrian ही है. और तो लेकिन लोग क्या करते हैं, एक सेंटेंस इधर से निकाल देते हैं, उधर को कर देते हैं और कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट करते हैं. तो शाश्वता, उसकी वाइफ से अभी बात हुई 2 दिन पहले हमारे मैनेजर की, शाश्वता के मैनेजर की, एंड सेड कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सौरभ दास कॉल्ड मी लास्ट नाइट एंड ही इज कमिंग टू माय हाउस फॉर डिनर. ही हैज ट्वीटेड आल्सो. उसने भी यही लिखा है कि show me where I have said something like this. Show me where Shashwata has said something. And is it possible for such a senior actor like Shashwata and for us to work on a film without reading the entire script?
True.
He has uttered those dialogues. मैंने थोड़ी बोले हैं. He has met all the actors और उसको पता है फिल्म का नाम था द डेली फाइल्स बंगाल चैप्टर. बच्चा बच्चा जानता है इस बात को. हमारा पोस्टर में लिखा है बंगाल चैप्टर. How is it possible that somebody won't know? This is media has cooked up these kind of
Okay. So
controversies.
this is again, misconstrued.
Just to trend. Yeah.
Okay.
आप YouTube में जाइए, वीडियो किसी और चीज का होगा, नीचे बंगाल फाइल्स लिखा होगा, because it's trending, so they use
Keyword works.
keyword.
All right. So you also talked about the film being about demographic change, and which is also why you're being blackmailed. I mean, that's what I read in reports. Doesn't that sort of bring in some fear, because you're a family man, they're kids? Does that really make you sometimes vulnerable?
See, there were threats while I was making Kashmir File. There were
I can
threats.
understand, yeah.
There are threats now also, and threats come from all sections. You don't know where they are coming from, so I take them seriously also. My daughter had to make her account private, and people were morphing her pictures and all kind of vulgarity they do. But I have understood that there is a section in society, but most of these things are done by political parties or some group. It's not possible for individuals to do these kind of things. Threats are real. The state should take cognizance of that. What can I do? I'm just a common person. But demography change is real. I'm
Yeah,
not saying it.
yes.
ये तो कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट भी बोलती थी, ये तो सारी गवर्नमेंट्स बोलती आई हैं. प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज आल्सो मेड दिस स्पीच. द फिगर्स आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. Demography change, see, there are two kind of demography changes. One is natural and one is state sponsored.
Sponsored, yeah.
So in Europe, the biggest problem right now is state-sponsored illegal demography change by illegal immigrants. Trump has won an election on that basis. He's even throwing Indians out of there, saying you are illegal, get out of my country. So demography change threat is real. Okay, in India, it is not just real; it's dangerous also, because this illegal immigrants are coming from a radicalized country, Pakistan and Bangladesh.
Yeah.
In Kashmir, they came from Pakistan. In Bengal, they are coming from Bangladesh. They are coming from Myanmar. आप अपने घर के आसपास स्लम्स होंगे, आप देखिए उसमें कितने इलीगल बांग्लादेशी रहते ही हैं. Okay, so or the state is empowering them to convert them into loyal vote banks. If not, at least use them for extortion and raise funds. So it's a very dangerous thing. We have addressed this in the film, but then they didn't like it and they tried to ban our trailer.
You're so impeccable as a filmmaker. Is politics the next step?
That's your kindness. I don't think so.
But is politics the next destination for you?
No way. I will even
कभी
if
नहीं,
you
कभी भी नहीं।
मैं कह रहा हूँ $1 billion दोगी तो मैं नहीं जाऊंगा.
क्यों
पर क्यों? वहाँ क्या एडवांटेज है? ऐसा क्या है पॉलिटिक्स में जो मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ? आई हैव अ फ्री वॉइस. आई कैन से व्हाटएवर आई वांट टू मेक व्हाटएवर. आई हैव अ वॉइस. Once I go into politics, then I have to speak the party line. Why should I do that? Why should any filmmaker go into politics? I don't understand. Yes, if you are retired, you have nothing to do. It's good pastime to go and sit in the parliament and just wear new clothes and do fashion parade there and मेरा सूट देखो, मेरी टाई देखो. Otherwise, politics has nothing which tempts me.
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all. I prefer making political commentary and making movies on politics because I understand politics. But I cannot die as a politician.
Is there a bold and unconventional subject that you watched in any of the films that really inspire you, and that remained with you?
I don't want to say anything right now. There'll be 1 million controversies, but there's Antichrist is a film.
Yeah.
I saw that. It was very, very extremely controversial film. Today, if somebody makes a film that there is no God, I think that will be very, very controversial. But these days, see, algorithm is the new God.
Yeah.
Algorithm is creating controversies, and otherwise, when I was growing up, there was no problem. You can say anything. There is no God. You can make fun of gods. You can make fun of anything. You can express your opinion. When I was growing as a student, nobody got outraged. Nobody had any problem. But algorithms, because algorithm has to divide in order to keep the engagement going on, and that's why algorithms are creating these controversies, not the human beings. If I leave you alone, what do? We like to talk about music, food, fun, jokes. That's what we do. But the same joke, the moment you say, or same food choices you talk about on social media, immediately people start fighting and this thing. I think, and truth is the most controversial thing. That's why truth is never spoken.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
And we wish you all the best for the Bengal Files. There are too many takers out there. People are just waiting for the film to hit theatres. And, there'll be a lot more perspectives coming in for the film once it releases
Thank
on
you.
the big
आपके मुंह
screen.
में घी शक्कर.
Thank you so much.